Sige, maglaro muna ako. LJ, maglaro tayo. Kakatawa. Wait lang guys. Ice cream. Nandiyan na po. Nandito na. Ow! Nandito naman kami ulit. Di ba?
Looking at it now, the business, looking back na, ba't ka proud ngayon sa pag-revive ng
Alamiga.
Yes, kasi naman hindi ko rin akalain. Kasi when I was deciding on resigning from my work, so parang kasi dapat na December, parang bear month.
Hindi pa, ikaw na.
Valley and Western Visayas. The DA continues to address the effects of the El Niño by providing 9.71 billion pesos in assistance to affected farmers and fisher folk. This includes rice farmers' financial assistance and production support, such as agri-inputs, fertilizers, and planting materials. I'm Edwin for News You Can Use.
Keeping you informed and up to date from the presidential broadcast service news center of Radyo Pilipinas.
I'm hungry.
At Capital FM 2.
Pizza!
Ito talaga mo? Palabok ka mo.
Sige, yung palabok na lang. Ayoko din sa barangay.
Eto, mga
Kaya yung ano na lang, kanti ng palabok.